Uh-oh, retard alert!
Asshole. Like, what are you doing?
Get respect, not surprises. Santander Bank. Respect adds up. Learn more at santanderbank.com. Qualifying transactions do not include fees, rebates, and adjustments billed to Santander Bank. Santander Bank and
Oh my god, you have a lane. You need to merge. You need to get up to speed and merge. Jesus Christ. Now she's gonna move out of the right lane? Are you kidding me?
Find all your Prime member deals on the Whole Foods Market app.
Loud Records presents Loud 25.
Now she's in the left lane. Now she's in the left lane. Driving like a snail like that. Right to the left lane. That's where she needs to be.
My camera roll hadn't updated. I accidentally sent a nude I'd taken a half hour earlier. This wouldn't be an issue usually, but this guy is like a brother figure. He's not answering his phone, so I've just spammed the F out of the conversation to it popping up. All the while.
Oh my god, what the f*** is wrong with you, Jesus?
Who was also
Are you f***ing stupid?
Because the light was yellow!
This gentleman is driving and he's on his phone. He's claiming that he's gonna call the police and go here. I want to record him. driving and you're on the phone, huh?
Going down, show off, motherfucker.
Motherfucker! Listen to yourself, you fucking piece of shit.
10 minutes.
Got nothing to say.
The cops are coming.
Why are you driving
Have
on
a
the phone?
nice day. Take
Why are you
care.
driving on the phone?
Got this dumb motherfucker right here wobbling all over the roadway. Why don't you wake the fuck up, motherfucker? Wake the fuck up! Got your ass on camera, bitch! You gonna fucking crash right here in front of me? Stay on your fucking side of the goddamn road! Stupid ass bitch. Keep your fucking cell phone away, stupid ass. Stupid motherfucker. I'm watching you, bitch. You gonna learn to fucking drive, motherfucker? Drive your goddamn car. Stupid bitch. I got you on fucking camera, motherfucker. Drive your goddamn car.